JN is pronounced as near. Near. Okay. So you do not have to pronounce J, but near, like near. Okay. So near. One example is a new. We break it. I will just break it into. So U is O, as we have learned. So JN is near. So new. Anyo. Anyo means lamb. Okay. Anyo. Uh, there is. I will just add another example. Mutanya. So this word is pronounced as Motanya. I don't know. Sometime I have seen some people pronouncing is as Motanya. I don't know why they pronounce it like this. It is very clear that JN is near, so Motanya. Okay, we can break in three syllables. So Motanya, 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 which means mountain. Montanya.